Not only is Yosimara an outstanding associate of Esperanza, but she plays a vital role in her small community of Samana on the northeast tip of the Dominican Republic. Before she took out a loan with Esperanza, she was extracting oil from coconuts and selling it to her community members. Because coconuts are so plentiful in the town of Samana, many people support their families off this lucrative fruit. Yosimara's husband is a farmer, and before she took out a loan with Esperanza, his income was the only means of support Yosimara and her family received. After taking out a loan with Esperanza, Yosimara didn't have to rely on her husband for financial support. She began selling fruit and vegetables in the local farmers market because although it wasn't as lucrative as coconut oil, it was much more financially stable. Yosimara now enjoys the security of her own economic freedom. Last fall, she took advantage of one of the essential services that Esperanza provides. As a reward for excellence in working hard and repaying your loan, Esperanza, along with the dentist of the Crown Council through Smiles for Life, helped provide much-needed dental care to the Esperanza associates. We met Yosimara when we visited her community of Villa Clara. She had the opportunity to tell her own story to our Smiles for Life group, and we were all touched with her story of faith and hope. Yosimara was able to receive an implant from Dr. Roy that day, and claims that it has impacted her life more than she can describe. In her own words, Yosimara said, "I smile now without problem." She states that in Samana, better yet in her country in general, there is a desperate need for this service. People don't understand the importance of taking care of their dental hygiene and lack the resources to do so. Yosimara is so grateful for Smiles for Life and all that they provide for her country. She claims that before receiving her tooth from Dr. Roy, she never used to smile, and is so grateful for Smiles for Life for bringing smiles back to the Dominican Republic. De la Comunidad de la República Dominicana, por favor ayúdame en reconocer Yosimara Johnstone. From the community of Samana in the Dominican Republic, please join me in recognizing Yosimara Johnstone.